Introduction to Dropbox File Sharing.
Dropbox is a popular cloud service that makes sending large files easy and secure. Whether you're collaborating on a project or sharing photos and videos, Dropbox offers simple tools to send folders or files of almost any size. Let's walk through the steps to securely share your files using Dropbox's built-in features.
Uploading files to Dropbox.
To start, log into your Dropbox account and click the Upload button. You can select single files or entire folders from your device. After uploading, the files are safely stored in your Dropbox account, ready to be shared. Large files may take a few minutes to upload, depending on your internet connection.
Creating a secure share link.
Once your files are uploaded, right-click the file or folder and select Share. Dropbox generates a secure, unique link. You can adjust the settings to control who can view or edit the content. For extra security, set a password or expiration date for your link under Link Settings if your plan allows.
Sharing with recipients.
Copy the Dropbox share link and send it to your recipient by email, message, or any preferred method. If you want, you can add their email address directly in Dropbox and send the invite. Your files remain on Dropbox, so you don't have to worry about email attachment limits or failed transfers.
Managing shared files and permissions.
Dropbox lets you check who has viewed or downloaded your shared files, and you can change or revoke access anytime. Simply return to the shared file or folder, open the sharing settings, and adjust permissions as needed. This gives you ongoing control over your files and helps keep your information secure.